everyone, in this video I'm going to give you an idea of what the rib stitch will look like on your Cindy Wood S looms. And I am getting the rest of the looms in that I don't have, so that no matter what size or gauge your S loom is, you can mark it and do the rib stitch with it. So in the first video all I showed was just how to wrap it, and I showed which pegs to mark, which I will redo that in a moment. But what I'm going to show you is when you do the rib stitch, I'm actually doing a different pattern with it. You can see creating kind of like the little circle shapes, which will be all through the blanket, but just the rib is this right down here. So it's really nice and plush. And this is just, honestly, I tried before I did this video, I looked and looked, tried to find what type of yarn this was. I seen it in the store. I don't have the wrapper for it, so I don't remember. But when I figure it out, I will post it in there, because I just think this is absolutely beautiful, and I'm getting ready to make some gloves out of it as well. But see, here is what this looks like. I love the rib stitch. It's very stretchy, and it goes back to its shape fairly easy as well. And I will do close up, and I'll show you again which pegs you mark, which of course mine are the black ones. Of course the original, this is the smallest of the Cindy Wood looms in 1/2 inch spacing. The Cindy Wood S looms, I mean. Okay, so you're going to have these three marked already when you get it in whatever color. So you're going to skip all those. We'll use this as number 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, number 5, you mark and skip. 6, 7, number 8, 9, 10, number 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 20, 23, 26, 29, 32, 35, 38, 41. Now that's on the one side. You flip it over and you just do it again, which again I'll go over it. You got your 3 here, but this bottom, of course only 2 of these on the other side are marked. The one over here has the black peg, which is like a starter peg, but we'll still count this as number 1, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, 23, 26, 29, 33, wait no, 32, 35, 38, 41, sorry. So both sides are marked the same, so that if you use a finer yarn, that will kind of show, because some of these will be separated a little bit farther than others, and see, some of these will be separated a little bit farther than others, and when you make things out of it, if you use a finer yarn, you might have a slightly larger gap. So we skip them even on both sides so that it will match up. And the reason you skip the pegs is because all these pegs are the equal spacing apart. So there are going to be less pegs on the inside of your curves than there are on the outside. And if you just wrap and don't skip any, you're going to end up wrapping like this, and then it's going to get to where you're wrapping like this, and it won't work out. So you go through and you skip the pegs for what you're doing. And again, this is what it looks like. And of course I'm doing a different pattern, which I'll go over the pattern that I'm using to do this where it switches. I will do a PDF, and I will do a full-length step-by-step video to go along with it as well. So there, I just wanted to go over that a little better. And again, when I do the video for this blanket right here, I will go over it all again. So think if there's anything else. Of course, if I haven't done a video yet of a Cindy Wood loom that you have and you would like for me to, just let me know. I am getting in the other 3 S loom sizes that I don't have. I hope to have them in the next couple days. So hopefully by the end of the week, you'll start seeing videos of how to mark them for the rake and stuff as well. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And as always, leave comments. Thank you.